Right now, a quiet invasion is happening. It's not being fought with armies or weapons, but with wires, bank transfers, and trillions of dollars. For decades, one nation held the ultimate leverage over the global economy: oil. But the rulers of this desert kingdom realized a brutal truth: oil will eventually run out. And when it does, their power vanishes. So, they triggered the most aggressive financial takeover in human history. From your favorite sports teams and video game companies, to the tech in your pocket and the real estate in your city, Saudi Arabia is quietly buying the world. But what is their ultimate endgame? And how close are they to controlling the global economy? Today, we unlock the dockets of the world's most powerful fund. To understand this power play, you need to know three letters: PIF, the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia. Controlled directly by the Crown Prince, this is the kingdom's financial war chest. A sovereign wealth fund is essentially a country's savings account. But while most countries invest conservatively, Saudi Arabia is playing monopoly with real life. The fund currently holds close to $1 trillion, and they are deploying it at lightning speed. Their goal? To diversify away from oil. If the world stops buying their oil, it won't matter, because they will already own the companies the world relies on every single day. You've probably noticed the sudden shift in global sports: trillion-dollar contracts for aging football stars. The sudden, hostile takeover of professional golf with the creation of LIV Golf. Mass investments in Formula One and boxing. Critics call this sportswashing, an attempt to clean up the country's international image. But looking at it purely from a business perspective, it is a genius psychological move. Sport is the most emotional asset on earth. By owning sports, you own culture. When you control the entertainment that billions of people watch every weekend, you don't just buy advertising, you buy soft power. But sports are just the distraction. The real takeover is happening in Silicon Valley and global real estate. Did you know that Saudi Arabia is one of the largest shareholders in Uber? Or that they own major stakes in Nintendo, Capcom, and EA Sports? They have billions poured into Lucid Motors, an electric car rival to Tesla, and are major backers of the world's largest tech investment funds. In major capitals like London and New York, they are quietly buying up prime real estate, hotels, and infrastructure. They are embedding themselves so deeply into the fabric of Western capitalism that their collapse would mean a global financial meltdown. They have made themselves too big to fail. The world used to depend on Saudi Arabia for energy. In the near future, we might depend on them for everything else. This is the new era of global power plays, where the ultimate weapon is capital control. If you want to understand the hidden forces shaping your financial future and the global economy, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us. Comment below. Do you think this financial takeover can be stopped, or is it already too late? This is Capital Control. See you in the next investigation.